Hi, I'm Tim and I'm a chippy by trade, but today I'm hoping to provide some clarity around energy efficient windows. Let's get into it. Windows have come a long way in recent times, so it's important to use quality windows because it can impact the energy efficiency of your build. I've put some effort in to find some quality windows for the job and I came across these beauties. Australian-made Dowell Double-Glazed aluminium ThermaLine windows. So Dowell Windows completed a window takeoff for me, which included window images, they checked my stud opening sizes, they checked the window measurements, they also checked to see which closure system would work best on this build. In fact, they can customise to any shape or size to suit any build. So with their great customer service, it really does take the headache out of ordering windows. These windows have been independently rated as the most energy efficient in their class. The ThermaLine product range is described as a future-proof, energy-efficient product series. These beauties regulate exterior weather extremes and provide next-level interior comfort. They can do this because they use thermally broken aluminium joinery, where the window contains at least two parts, interior and exterior, structurally connected by a polyamide insulator. I guess that's why they give these guys 7+ stars energy rating. These were really easy to work with and super quick to install, which means we got the job done in no time. So if you want to get your hands on these beauties, head down to your local Bunnings store and speak to your trade specialist. So there you have it, some truly amazing glazing. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out some of our other video reviews.